Our 2012 Nissan Altima 3.5 SR is the bad boy and shown proudly in crimson black, featuring the award-winning 3.5-liter V6 engine that offers 270 horsepower on tap, while connected to Nissan CVT to reward you with up to 27 miles per gallon. Outside, Altima's looks are unique and have a sporting flair with 17-inch aluminum wheels. If you prefer vanilla, keep shopping because the Altima is far from plain Jane. Aggressive stance, sexy lines, and sculpted bod panels complement the sporty driving style of Altima. You'll be surrounded by a roomy cabin with premium soft touch materials that result in a more inviting ride for you and your passengers. Standard conveniences include air conditioning, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power door locks and windows, cruise control, a nifty trip computer, and a rocking audio system. Safety-wise, you are covered with 6 airbags, anti-lock brakes, stability and traction control systems. Year after year, Nissan Altima Sedan is one of America's best-selling vehicles. Print this page and call us now. We know you will enjoy your test drive toward ownership. For more information on this vehicle or to schedule a test drive, please call Tynans Nissan at 888-603-9677. Tynans has been family-owned and operated for over 50 years. We are one of Colorado's largest used car dealers and have one of Colorado's largest selections. We continue to be a nationwide leader in customer satisfaction and will meet or beat anyone's price. So what's stopping you? Come by today on Havana in Aurora under Denver's largest American flag.